Tunig dinner. Na maralagwa magig surgery. Nami sa Golden Peacock. Manihapon mag-dinner. Among rong vlog is about dinner at Golden Peacock. Kuyogi ko ninyo. Sige kami si Mark. Maralagwa gikan sa surgery. Na maralagwa ko. Yagi og surgery no. Na ari mi sa Golden Peacock. Hi, we're going to see Bill. Bill is over there?
I don't know. Wala siya dito.
Ada diri, ari mo na siya diri.
He's not there. The old lady from Wyoming.
Yes, lagi yan. Yeah.
Well, they don't have.
Nana, dinner mi sa Golden Peacock.
Yeah. Wow, I'm surprised your mouth isn't all swollen up.
No.
What did they give her for?
No, the hydrocot.
What was that?
I got the medicine. I'll show you.
Put your phone down.
It with soup. No. No. Then you know what?
Thank you, my friend. I'm gonna set these here.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Yep, that's the plan.
All right.
Yeah.
Food, yeah. Special
I
fragrance.
put my hand so we can.
Black bean sauce, eggplant.
Nice. Thank you.
Sweet and sour prawns.
Wow, look at that.
Right. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Mikey.
Sure, you're welcome. Yep.
See, now only me, really. Now only me. Okay. Thank you.